Where are we?
In Chong.
Yes, in the food court. It's it guys. Lunch na mo. Late lunch. Kaya na grocery pa mo. Show them what you eat. Yuna is eating barbecue and bangus for mama. Who is that? Yeah, and Lola. Lola don't like to take video, Yuna. Videohan ko no ka. Okay na, you eat na. Oh, they're watching you eat. How about barbecue? Show them how you eat barbecue. Show them how you eat barbecue. Wow. Late lunch. Basta barbecue nga. Pork, rasad. Kaon siyang chicken. Kaon siyang chicken kung fried. Kung barbecue nga chicken. Bye! Look at her first. Smile and then walk.